What's up, guys? This is Corey, also known as QC Rideshare, just hitting you with another video. I was thinking about this, and a friend of mine actually brought it to my attention and said that I should probably do a video on some helpful tips. But I was going to do this a little bit different. Instead of doing a long one that's 10-15 minutes of all these tips, I'm going to break them down, do one per video, about a couple minutes. So let's get into it. So a lot of people have asked, how do you cut down on your data usage when you do Uber and Lyft? That can be very expensive. I know the Uber app tells you right in the app description that it can use up to 2 gigs. If you're doing Lyft at the same time, obviously that's more. So I want to share with you a way that you can cut down on saving data with your maps. Now, this is going to apply for Google Maps, not for Waze. But for Google Maps, there is a way that you can save on your data. And so I'm going to take you through it. I got a secondary phone right here. I'm just now looking at, I don't think it's going to actually, I'm going to take you through it. You can do it with your own phone. So if I'm looking down every once in a while, that's just because I'm going through it with the other phone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to launch the Google Maps app. When you get to the Google Maps app, the first thing you're gonna see is obviously your location information. At the top, you're gonna see a search bar. You're gonna click on this. Now, this is gonna apply primarily for the Android. I'll try to speak with some of my friends who have iOS phones to see if there's a little bit difference there and give you a follow-up if there is. So you click on the, there's a little, what they call a hamburger menu. On the side, you'll see like 3 slashes. Click on that. In the top section, you'll see right under Start Driving, it say Offline Areas. So with Offline Areas, you can customize an area and create that map, or you can do your home. I would suggest zooming as far out as possible, and then you want to save that offline area. You want to do this over Wi-Fi so that you don't use your data. Once you save your offline area, you're going to go back to the main screen of your maps. Go right back into that menu. This time you're going to go all the way down to your settings. If you go down to your settings, the second option down is going to say Wi-Fi only. Click that on. Now, it will tell you when you use Wi-Fi only that it will use just a little bit of data, but primarily it's going to use your maps offline. Now, a couple things. When you use your maps offline, it is not going to provide real-time traffic information. What I do is, whenever I am seeing traffic approaching or I'm seeing things build up, I click it, I cut the offline maps off, let the maps refresh, get my real-time data. Any other time, I will go ahead and use the offline maps because that's going to get me from A to B. Use these tricks. I'm going to try to put a little bit of information like a written version in a description just so that you guys have some more insight on doing this. This is crucial because your maps will use up a lot of data and that can be costly. And as you're running your business, the number one thing that you want to do as a business person is cut expenses. Also, if you're not following me on Twitter, I'm going to be putting up some budgeting information. Working on a sample budget spreadsheet that I can put out there for you guys. My Twitter handle is QC Rideshare. And also like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see in the next video. Until the next one, have a good one.